Hey guys, today we're going to be making a paper cloth that looks like this. Okay, first thing you want to get is a piece of printer paper. You're going to fold this over diagonally. Like that, and then you're going to fold this tip down to here. So, fold it down. Now you should have something that looks like this. Now you want to take this edge and line it up with this edge. To do that now, you should have something that looks like this. Now you're going to want to fold it in half. So once you fold that in half, you should be a big triangle. Now you're going to want to fold this triangle in half from point to point to get that line of symmetry in there. Okay, now once you have that line of symmetry in there, you're going to want to fold this side into that. Okay, once you have this, now you're going to roll this up just one time. Roll it up one time. So it should look like this. Okay, now you have this. You're going to flip it over and take this side and roll it over that. Now you're just going to, this is your last step, we're almost done. Just going to stick this flap into this pocket that you should have. Okay, now you are done with your claw. Just stick your finger right in there. And that's it. Okay, please remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.